Welcome to Razorpay. Razorpay is the easiest way to accept and process digital payments in India. In this video, you will learn to integrate the Razorpay payment gateway with your Cordova app. Before we begin, you must complete a few steps. Let's go through them one by one. Visit razorpay.com and sign up for an account. Provide the relevant details and complete the sign up process. Generate the test API keys on the Razorpay dashboard. Save the API keys on your system. Open the Razorpay Cordova SDK integration document. You can also download the sample app for your reference. Integration steps. Create an order on your server. Install the Razorpay Cordova plugin. Add the checkout code in the index.js file. Store the fields in the server. Verify payment signature. Step 1. Create an order on your server. Order is an important step in the payment process. You can create an order using the Order API. The response contains the order ID, which you should pass to the checkout. In this video, we will be creating the order using Postman. Copy the URL and the request parameters from the document. Add the test API keys and fire the API. The response contains the order ID, which you should pass to the checkout. Step 2. Install the Razorpay Cordova plugin. Open your Cordova project and add the iOS platform. Copy the plugin command and run it on terminal. The plugin will get installed on your Cordova project. Step 3. Add the checkout code. In the document, copy the checkout code. Paste it in the index.js file of your Cordova project. Now you can make changes to the checkout code. You can update the API keys, change the amount, even the checkout theme color, and change the customer email and contact number. Remember to replace the order ID with the one you had generated in the previous step. Step 4. Store fields in server. In case of a successful payment, the checkout will generate the Razorpay payment ID, order ID, and payment signature. Make provisions to store these details in your server. Step 5. Verify payment signature. You must verify signature on your server. Follow the steps in the document to perform signature verification. If you are using Xcode to develop the Cordova app, there are a few setting changes that you must make. First, ensure that the Razorpay pods are updated. Second, you must make changes in the Xcode build settings. To update the Razorpay pods, go to the iOS folder and run pod update. This will update all the pods. If you don't want to update all the pods, you can run pod update Razorpay pod. To update the build settings, go to your Xcode and click target settings. Here, click build settings and set always embed Swift standard libraries to yes. Enable bitcode to yes. Let us test the integration. We have added a code that will create a pay button on the app. Let's launch the app and make a test payment. Build the app and launch the simulator. The build was successful. Click the Pay with Razorpay button to launch the Razorpay checkout. Provide the email ID and the contact number and proceed with the payment. Select Net Banking as the payment method and select a bank. Click Success to complete the payment. A payment ID is generated. This means that the integration was successful. In case of a successful payment, a payment ID, order ID are generated. In case of a failure, the customer is asked to retry the payment. We can check the payment on the Razorpay dashboard. To do this, go to the Razorpay dashboard and click Transaction Payments. Click on the payment ID to view the payment details. You must capture the payment. Click Capture Payment and click Yes to confirm. This completes the integration. In case of any queries, you can contact the Razorpay support team right from the Razorpay dashboard. Here are the links to the reference doc as well as a sample app. Thank you for watching this video.